Come to these scenes of peace, by William Lisle Bowles, from The World's Best Poetry, Volume 5, Nature, Part 1. Read for LibriVox.org by Leanne Yao. Come to these scenes of peace. Come to these scenes of peace, where to rivers murmuring the sweet birds all the summer sing, where cares and toil and sadness cease. Stranger, does thy heart deplore friends whom thou wilt see no more? Does thy wounded spirit prove pangs of hopeless, severed love? Thee the stream that gushes clear, thee the birds that carol near, shall soothe, as silent thou dost lie, and dream of their wild lullaby. Come to bless these scenes of peace, where cares and toil and sadness cease. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.